Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the playlist of sample coding questions. If you are new to this playlist, please visit my channel once and watch all the videos in it. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and share the friends to your channel. Okay, today the programming questions is ASCII value sum, and the question is Anjali is wondering if she can extract the numbers from the elements of a string. All she wants to is replace the characters with their corresponding alphabet values and print the sum of them. Helps her find the solution. We need to find the solution by helping her. Let the sample input will be hello. See here na small l and capital L are different because ASCII values of its are different, right? So it is different. The output should be get is 468. Here what they gave in the explanation is its ASCII values, some of its ASCII values. ASCII value of H, capital H is 72 and small e is 101. So by adding all we need to get the output. And the second one is unshoe. This is the input, this is the output we need to get. Let's go to the explanation part. Here we need to take the string as input. How can we take string as input? By using n is equal to input. This is the formula for syntax for taking input, right, as string. Okay, after that, to store ASCII value sum we need to have one variable. Let the variable be capital S. So capital X is equal to 0 is the variable. We need to iterate the each character in the string. So in order to iterate we use a for loop. Yes, right? So for I in n. Okay, and to convert character to its ASCII value we use odd function. Odd is a function which is used to convert character to ASCII value. Here we are adding each ASCII value to its some variable. After that we are printing. Let's go to the explanation programming part. Okay, I said na, to take input we need to use n is equal to input. After that, in order to store the variable we are taking store the ASCII values, we are taking variable for its sum. After that we are iterating the loop. For I is n, we are iterating to it. After iterating we are storing its ASCII value by using odd function. Odd is a function which is used to convert character to its ASCII value. Now we are printing it. See here, for your sake I am writing comment. Odd is a function which is used to convert character to as its ASCII value. Okay, so let's check the output. I am giving input hello. So let's check 468. It came, right? Okay, I am giving another input unshoe 620. See, we got the output. Some cases we will have one function and we need to get the output. That means this function is can be given like this. See, I will show you. Sometimes whole code is not written by us. They will write some code and we need to continue it. How we can continue it, I will show you. See, they will give like this. Char, let the function name is, let be the function name is char to ASCII. Okay, they will pass the parameter like this, and after that they will give like this. They will pass this function. Print a. This might be the question. Okay, sometimes they will give like this, and we need to write our logic inside it. How we can write means I will show you. See, the same logic what you have written like here can also be write here. Okay, I'm showing how we can write in the function of logic. Okay, here normal code. Here when they give like this, how we can fill it. See, the same variable I am taking for storing values. After that, I am iterating, same how I did before. After, I am storing. Here, instead of print yes, I am giving return. Return yes. That's right. Let's check once. I am giving the input hello 468. See, it's right. See, 628. Is there any difference in output when we use like this? Like this, if it is a HCL programming, programming, it will give like this. In some other programming companies, they will give like this. So make sure you will practice. You can practice both. Okay, and let's go to the bonus tip. See, we learned how to convert character to ASCII by using ORD function. Let's learn how to convert ASCII to character. We can convert ASCII to character by using CHR function. Okay. See, CHR of 65, that means ASCII value. We can store AA. The output will be A. See, here value is equal to 90 and we are getting the value CHR function value. Then the output will be Z. See, let's check. Let me erase this because it's completed. A is equal to 65. Then print R of A. Let's check what will happen. See, capital A is printed. Okay. Let's if you want directly 98. Let's check what will happen. See, here B is printed. We know that ASCII value of B is 98. Yes, right? I hope you understand. If you new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.